Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and after that I'll provide you with explanation about the answer. And here's a question. What classical composition serves as the anthem for the European Union? Well, I'll give you the answer for this question, and the correct answer for the question is Ode to Joy. And here is a bit more information about the answer. The concluding section of Beethoven's Ninth Symphony, known as Ode to Joy, has been embraced as the anthem for the European Union, embody the united diversity and common principles among its member nations. Officially selected in 1985 by European Community, the forerunner of the EU, this timeless composition surpasses linguistic and cultural divides, representing the timeless values of freedom and unity. Although lacking formal lyrics, the melody itself effectively communicates the essence of a continent unified by mutual regard and collaboration and collective ambitions. So that is the answer for the question. Ode to Joy. Na 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 Dosta of Elysium, etc. etc. So that's the correct answer for the question. Ode to Joy. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others. Right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.